Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new camping hack. Actually, my wife figured it out, so this is a great idea for when you want to go on a long trip, you want to freeze some meals. We have a smaller crock pot that we use when we camp, and this is how we freeze our meals. This is our smaller crock pot that we use when we go camping for extended trips, or when we're out all day and we want to have a meal all set and ready to go for us. So my wife will pre-make some meals and freeze them. Here is a pre-made chicken noodle soup, and we want to freeze this so that when we're ready to eat it, we can just put it in the crock pot. But we don't lay it down flat because then it won't fit in the crock pot. You ready for the hack? We are going to freeze it inside this Tupperware container so that it'll take the shape, and we can just plop it out and put it right in there and then warm it up. Just grab the soup, place it in there so it will freeze in that shape.